Oh my god, I look freaking dead. Hey beauty babes, welcome to another vlog. I do look a mess, so please do not mind me. I legit just woke up, and the reason why I woke up is because my new couch just arrived. Oh my god, guys, look at this. It is so big. It is huge. It's like 2 big old boxes. I cannot wait to start building. I'm actually gonna start building it right now. What I'm gonna do with my old couch, I already put it out to sell. So hopefully someone can come and pick up my couch. I'm gonna sell the couch. I'm gonna sell this TV stand and this little TV that I have. I'm gonna set it all in a little package, so we'll see how that goes.
It really goes high.
Okay, maybe like this.
And then you go over the top. The wedding is at the top. You go over the top of the wedding, and then you just scream it.
Even if you make plans, you never think they're...
We gotta get the toolbox, some scissors, and I guess just start building. Hold on. Alexa, pause. I'm tripping because I thought my sofa was supposed to be black. This is a problem. Guys, tell me if I'm tripping or does this look gray to you? Let me see. This looks completely gray. Like this is black, this is gray. No. Did they? I think they gave me the wrong color, guys. Oh, Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus, Lord Jesus. Oh, I mean, I guess it gets darker like that. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. That does not look black to me, but let's take everything out. Everything happens to me. Like, I can never catch a break, I swear. But they send me the wrong color. So they sent me this gray color. Like I said, I thought it was like a faded black or something, but I knew I was right. So I go over to the website and I start comparing like what colors they have on the website, and they have a gray that looks just like this. I looked at the box, I looked at the order, I looked at, you know, if it was addressed over to me. Maybe they just like gave me the wrong package. No. They, I guess, just packaged this wrong and gave me the gray one. So then I was trying to be, you know, just calm down. I'm gonna take it easy. I'm just gonna build it. This gray color is not that bad. I have gray on my rug. I was like, I don't want to go through the whole return process. I'm just gonna build it and just have a gray couch. It's still like a dark gray anyway, so it's not gonna be a big deal. Well, I start building it halfway, right? And I have to open another box because it comes in 2 boxes. And I needed an item from here to continue building. As soon as I open this box, right? As soon as I open this box, it's fucking black. The other part of my couch is fucking black. But yet, this one is gray. Gray, black. How in the world am I supposed to have a couch with 2 different freaking colors? Like how? How is that even possible? Like, this shit only happens to me. Guys, look at this beautiful food right here. I came to a Colombian restaurant. I got me a bandeja paisa, and oh my god. Food can please, because this is delicious, and I am about to tear this up. Can't forget the coffee, of course. Oh my god. I am still so bummed that my couch situation even happened. I just finished eating some Colombian food because I needed food in my tummy. Like, I was already in a bad mood. I was already grumpy, and then dealing with that just made it even worse. So guys, like, my mood today is just crap. Like, I'm so upset, and I'm not like, to me, it's like I'm more upset because 1, I spent over $1,000 on that couch. 2, I feel like I waited so long to get that couch. So freaking long. Like, you guys know how long I've been waiting. That couch has been back ordered, so I waited so long for that couch. And when it finally does arrive, they send me 2 different colors. So the fact that I have to keep those boxes for like another week or so is just driving me insane that I have to wait that long. But I mean, there's really nothing else I can do. I mean, the girl did give me like some credit and stuff, but that still does not like resolve the issue. Like, the issue is I wanted my couch, you guys send me 2 different colors, and now I have to sit there and there's no way for you guys to pick up these boxes because well, obviously you guys don't have drivers or whatever the case. I don't even know what type of excuse she gave me. She just said that I have to wait until they swap it out, and that is until my new couch arrives. So I don't even know. I'm eating hot fries like this because you don't want to mess up the nails. I shouldn't even be eating this. But they're so good. So I legit just murdered those hot Cheetos because I had to take my birth control. So anyway, hey beauty babes, welcome to another day in the vlog. I am actually vlogging super late today. Today is my day off. And it's super freaking cold outside. I managed to do a lot of things today. The reason why I'm touching my hair is because I dyed it like super black. Can you guys like tell a difference? Probably not, because my hair was already dark. Anyway, I managed to clean my apartment because it was like just in shambles. So I cleaned, I did laundry. I also did my nails. If you guys couldn't see, I did my nails. I always do my nails now because nobody has time to waste money and I just want to save as much money as I can. So I did my whole set of nails. They're just new nails. I had to do them. I was without nails for like a whole week and it was disgusting. I legit felt like a 10-year-old little boy and it's just not a good feeling. I am actually on the way to Ross or Target. You guys know I live at Target. I just want to go over to Target and do some shopping. I also need to get and pick up some stuff that I need for the house. Now I really do feel like I look like a little boy with this hairstyle. I just threw my hair in the back just to look a little bit more presentable, but we are on the way to Ross. God, it is so freaking cold out here. It's not even funny. Hopefully my camera doesn't die because I didn't bring my extra battery, so we'll just hope and pray that it doesn't. Tell me why I buy this coat at Target. I saw it and I just literally got obsessed, but it's pretty much the exact same coat that I am wearing right now, but in a different brown shade. And it is actually like longer than the one I have. The one I have is like super cropped. But I mean, why? Do I really need another teddy coat? I don't really think so, but I mean, why not, right? Let me try it on for you guys. This one is a lot warmer and it actually goes all the way down. The one that I have is like super crop top. So this one is a lot warmer. And let me show you guys. Look at this. I did get a size large because I do like my jackets extra big. But yeah, I really do like this one because this one actually looks like a jacket. The other one, like I said, is super cropped and I just love the sleeves on this one. While the other one that I had, it was like super wide. The sleeves are like extra freaking wide. I feel like I actually look like a freaking teddy bear, like for real. I'm just so in love with the sleeves on this one. By the way, the jacket I did get from Target and it was like $50. A little bit pricey, but definitely worth it. Then I went to Ross and I saw some stuff that I was obsessed with. So first of all, I saw this little backpack. It is by Steve Madden. And I don't know why, I just got obsessed with it. I've always wanted a backpack that's like this color right here. I've always wanted a brownish type of bag. And when I saw this one, I was like, I definitely need it. I mean, these are in, they're very trendy, and just the color is something that I definitely wanted. So I did get this one. I've been like buying so many freaking bags. I just got that one at Target. Now I'm gonna switch to this one. I mean, come on now, it's me. You guys know I'm obsessed with bags. Then I also saw this one again. It is by Steve Madden, but the color is what sold me. It's just so freaking beautiful and I just could not pass it up. So I got this one as well. So I'm just like going all out with this brown type of vibe here. I'm just so freaking obsessed. I literally just woke up from like an hour nap right now. I know you guys missed me. I missed you guys too. Don't worry, it's been forever since the last clip that I picked up the camera, but I want to show you guys just very quickly the update on my apartment and on my couch. So it has already been like 2 weeks since the last clip. I apologize. Oh my God, guys. Look at this gorgeous couch right here. So this is a couch that I was waiting for forever, and I finally got it. I actually installed it myself. I had to build it, but look at it. So freaking gorgeous, guys. I'm just so freaking happy. But I think I'm gonna move this plant over here next to my TV. I'm gonna get rid of that little dream catcher. I think I'm gonna put the plant here. I always keep this little light because that is how I let Penny know that she's not allowed on the couch. So I always leave it there because every time I leave, I have to put it here. I'm going to buy some curtains because I hate this color here. Like, it bothers me and it drives me crazy. So I'm also going to buy some curtains so I can drape down on this side. But yeah, do you guys think I should move the plant here and just kind of leave this how it is right now? I'm not sure. Guys, help me out, but isn't this just so beautiful? I finally got my couch, and I feel like my living room just looks so complete. Actually, my whole apartment looks complete. And I also decorated my fridge yesterday. This is what I've been doing all day. Finally decorated my fridge because I feel like I never did anything with it, and now it really just like adds a homey touch to it. I just printed out my photos over at CVS, and then I went to Michael's and I bought magnets, so that is how they're all sticking to my fridge. I also bought these letters. I did them myself. And yeah, so I'm just kind of loving how everything is looking very homey. And I went to go buy this over at Michael's too. I think this is where I'm gonna put my mail. But yeah, we'll find something. We'll find something for this. Amazing. Just look at it. Oh my God, so beautiful, guys. I'm like obsessed and so in love. I'm actually going to end this video here because I need to start editing it, and I have to put it up for you guys. Again, I apologize for not picking up the vlogging camera for so long, but we finally got what we wanted. But anyway, I will see you guys next time.